This Ivy, and it's time for Dollar Tree's 25-cent clearance on Thursday. These are some new products and old products. Now remember, every Thursday these products will replenish until they are exhausted. See this pot holder right here, guys? This is 25 cents. It's the one with the opening right here, and it looks like this on the back. It is not a double one. Okay, so let's scan it. So we're gonna scan it. There it is, and there it is, 25 cents. Okay, guys, and I want to thank Wavy like the ocean. She is the subscriber that sent this to me and told me these were on clearance, guys. Now if you want to know how to get to that, go on your mobile device, go to your Dollar Tree app, tap it open. You tap it open, you're going to go to your search bar. You see the scan bar, tap the scan bar. Tap open the scan bar if you can get it open. You go, and once you open it, you're gonna see this bracket. You'll just aim it between the barcode, between the bracket, and scan. Now if you want to see more or what else I found, make sure you go to my YouTube channel, Ivy's Coupon Camp, and watch my Dollar Tree 25-cent clearance with kitchen items. Bye. We have more fake security cameras right here. They look like this. They just have that red light in it. And do it need a battery? Yep. AA battery. Okay, we're over here in some more kitchen and plates. And these cups right here are 25 cents. It's called a Home Sweet Home edition. So you can see the 25-cent tag. I'm gonna scan it for you guys. 25 cents. Great way to start off the new year with new glasses. So I'm going to grab 4 of those. Okay. Now remember, each week, but look for old stuff because the old dishes are still in play also. Now I know it was some dishes over here, but I think I have to do some scanning. Okay, guys, found some plates. See these plates right here? Well, this is a saucer. It's a saucer. There you go, see, saucer. These are 25 cents now. Let me show you. I'm going to scan it for you. And there it is, 25 cents. So I found 2 of these. Now it's supposed to be some white ones and some green ones that is also on 25 cents. Okay, guys, another kitchen item. These right here. Now it say gather here with grateful heart. Now this is another saucer. It's a saucer, but it's plastic, and it says plate on it though. Okay, so we're gonna scan that one. Let me open this up because I'm literally trying. Okay, let's scan it, and there it is, 25 cents. I picked up 3 of those. You guys to pay attention to something. I found them back here. Scan everything. That's why I told you just start scanning. Okay, guys, I found a mug. Okay, so look at this mug. You see it's blue. See the rims, 1, 2. Let's look up under there. Now we're gonna scan that one because it does make a difference. And if I quit talking, guys, it's because it's a lady that's following behind me. And here it is, 25 cents. So far I only found 1, but it looked like the plate. I just thought of that. It looked like the plate, guys. So now you need to find the cups look like this. Okay, guys, we on this aisle where it's like crafting items, and this is what I want you to do. Homesteaders and preppers, gardeners. Look at this, 25 cents for the metal vase with the rope around them. These are 25 cents. Make some awesome gifts, or good if you have a farm stand and you sell flowers. This is the excellent one. I used a couple of these last year and sold tons of sunflowers, guys. So grab these, 25 cents. I got to get a bunch of these. So I'm gonna get as many as I can because I charge more when I have them in a vase already. Okay, so that's one tidbit of doing these, guys. I charge more if you got a farm stand. Okay, so that's what we got right there. These little wheels are on sale. These right here. These are on sale. Now I craft, but right now, I think you could actually hang something off of this too. I could actually use this to hang herbs off to some gratis. And here it is right here. Okay. I'm going to scan the 10 pan for you, 25 cents. Herbs. Grab some more of those. Okay. Cart is getting filled. Now look guys, because all of these are 25 cents. Look at that. All of these wall arts. This is Mermaid at Heart. That's that wall art. Here's another wall art. Here's one. They got so many of them that you could choose from. So make sure you check all the crafting out, because they're getting rid of all of their crafting stuff and doing a do-over, okay? Okay guys, now I don't see them, but I don't gatekeep either. Look in the pet supplies for all the little rubber toys. They like the Twizzlers, the Hershey's Candy Bite, those. Now I looked down there, I did not see any of them, okay? So that's what you got to be diligent of what you're looking for. Remember, we're in crafting out. This is 25 cents too right here. Let me show it to you. I'm going to scan it because I'm going to show you exactly. If you own a farm stand, I just gave those people that one tidbit. That's 25 cents also, right? That's 25 cents also for that. So these craft sheets right here, I wrap them around the bottom, around this can right after this part right here. I put flowers in here, a little bit, that little sponge that go on the bottom to hold the flowers stiff, and some water. I sell these for $5 and $7 and $12. One of them I sold for $12, okay? So just to let you guys know, you can make some money off of these. And then these right here, I also use these for herb racks. Now I wrap garlic. I just throw my garlic over this and let it dry out right here, okay? So this is my cart, guys. I got tons of stuff. Now I didn't get the stuff that I wanted off of the women's aisle, like the nail clipper sets and all that. They didn't have any of that, so be on the lookout for the nail clippers, anything in the nail products. Be on the lookout for those, because those are also on sale. Down this aisle, they had 25 cents. It's called Finest or something like that, or Finesse, the shampoo and conditioner. It's in a hot pink bottle. That's not it. That's not it. But they had those on sale for 25 cents. And then they had the ladies hairspray on sale for 25 cents also. I just want to start telling you guys what else was on sale. Now look for a couple of those items, all right? Hey guys, also start looking for the $5 packs of socks. Those are on sale. I didn't get any of those. Like I have been lucking out with these socks, guys. A lot I have been lucking out. So what I've been doing now is just literally scanning them. So just start looking for the $5 packs of socks. Those went on sale for 25 cents. And of course, start scanning all your socks. Just scan as much as you can. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Cat, because we don't gatekeep. Bye.